Hey everyone, this is Miss Marion. So we're going to talk about translations day 2, and we're going to go ahead and go through this. So our ICANN statement is we're going to be able to apply a translation to points on a grid without using trace paper. Yesterday we used trace paper. Today we're going to do without. So make sure either you print out this page or you write the stuff down. It might be easier to print it out because we have some grids in a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to fill it in our note page. And I said, remember, a transformation is a change in the size. So size, location, or orientation of a figure. A rigid transformation, so this is actually new for today. Rigid transformation is a transformation that preserves the length and angle measures. So it's kind of like that copy paste that we did before. Like a translation is a rigid transformation because both the pre-image or the first figure and the image or the end result, they're the same figure, so they're congruent. So rigid transformation makes congruency. Then a translation is a transformation which slides each point of the figure to the same distance and in the same direction. And then the resulting figure after a transformation is called the image of the original figure. So we went over some of this vocabulary yesterday, but remember the image is the end result of the original picture. Okay, so we want to go ahead and we want to move it 1 unit left, 4 units up. So remember yesterday we took trace paper, we traced the picture, and then we went ahead and plotted it. I'm going to actually show you how to do it a little bit easier. So I'm going to start with C. Actually, you know what? Let's fill in A prime, B prime, and C prime, or A, B, and C. So A, 0, 0 is here. Where is A? A, we went left 1, so that's -1, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's -5. And then B was -2. Because we started at 0, 0, we went left 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So that would be -4. And then C, we went left 1, 2, 3. So that's -3. Because remember, it's always X, Y. Side to side, up and down. Right? We went over this yesterday too. So we went 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. So it's -6. So that's our original. And then what we're going to do is it tells us to go left 1 unit and then 4 units up. So I'm going to take C and I'm going to go left 1, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is my C prime. Then I'm going to take B, left 1, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my B prime. Same thing with A, left 1, 1, 2, 3, up 4, A prime. So my new picture, in fact, I'm going to put that in black to make it easier, is this picture here. So now let's go ahead and let's say our point. So A prime, we went left 2, so -2, down 1, -1. B is 1, 2, 3 left, 0, and then C prime is 1, 2, 3, 4, so -4, down 2, -2. So here are our answers, A prime, B prime, and C prime. All right, example number 2. So we're going to go 2 units to the right, 3 units down. So again, we want A, B, and C. All right, we want those points. So 0, 0 is here. So A is to the right 1, so that's 1, and then up 2, +2. B, we're going to the left 2, so that's -2, and then up 2, that's +2. And then C, we went to the right 1, that's +1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 5. So these are our points. So then again, we want to go ahead and we want to go 2 units right, 3 units down. So I'm going to start with C. So I'm going to go 2 units right, 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. Here's my C prime. 2 units to the right, 3 down. 1, 2, 3. Here's my A prime. Then B, 2 units to the right. 1, 2, 3 down. Here's my B prime. I'm going to draw this. I'm going to connect my primes together. And then here, I'm going to actually shade it in. Here is my new image, which is the end point. And then let's find these points. So A prime, B prime, and C prime. So A prime, starting at 0, 0. I go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So that's positive 4. Down 1, which is negative 1. B is, I don't go side to side, so that's 0. And I'm going to go down 1, which is negative 1. And then C, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, so that's positive 4. And then up 2, which is 2. So these are my new A prime, B prime, and C prime points. All right, let's go ahead. I want you to try to label G, T, and B. So go ahead and pause this for a second and then label G, T, and B as far as where the points are right now. All right, so we're looking for G, T, and B. So 0, 0. So I'm going to go to G. So it's going 1, 2, 3 to the left. So that's negative. Down 1, which is also negative, negative 1. T is to the left 1, negative 1. Down 1, also negative 1. And then B, 1, 2, 3 to the left. 2, 3, 4, 5 down, negative 5. So these should be your points. Okay? And then we're taking this and we're going 3 units to the right, 5 units up. So go ahead and pause this right now and go ahead and answer that question. Make sure you're doing it correctly. So we're going to take G. We are going to do 3 units right, 1, 2, 3, 5 units up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is G prime. T is actually in here. We're going to go 3 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then B, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's B prime. So here is my triangle. All right, so where's B? B's, I want to do B first. B prime, that's 0, 0. That's an easy one. All right, what about G? So I don't go anywhere, so that's 0, and I went up 1, 2, 3, 4. And then T, I go over 2, so positive 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, up. So there is T prime. So here are our answers. All right, go ahead and try this one. You're going to go left 1 unit and 4 units up. So go ahead and pause and go ahead and do that. So Y is 1, 2, 3, so negative 3, 0. G is down 2, so side to side no, down 2, so negative 2. And then M is left 3, so negative 3, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. So then from here, we're going to go left. So left 1, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's Y prime. Left 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is G prime. Left 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is M prime. So let's go ahead and connect those together. And let's make sure that they are congruent, both the image and the pre-image. And now we need to find Y. So Y is 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, so it's negative 4. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, that is positive 4. And then G is negative 1, so it's left 1, up 2, positive 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and that not going up and down. So here's our answer for example number 4. All right, so let's go ahead and do example number 5. So here we have a point, so 3, 5, and we're going to translate left 8 units, and then up 40 units. So left is the X part, and we're going to go left, so that kind of makes it to the negative side of the number 9. So pretty much we're actually taking it and kind of like subtracting off 8. So we want to go ahead and we want to do like the 3. So for the X value, when I want to do 3 minus 8, what is 3 minus 8? Negative 5. And then for the Y value, we're going to go up 4. So up. So up, that's positive. So pretty much we're doing positive 4 for the Y stuff. So then I'm going to take my 5 and I'm going to go positive 4 for the Y stuff. Oh, so that's going to be 9. So then my new point would be negative 5, comma, 9. All right, example number 6. Let's try one ourselves together. So we have 5, comma 1. We're doing 4 units to the right. So that's my X value, right? And to the right, that is positive 4. So I'm going to take my X value, 5, add 4 to it, we're going to get 9. And then let's do the other one, which is 5 units down. That is my Y value. If it's down, oh, that would be like minus 5. So then I'm going to take 1, and I'm going to get minus 5 and get negative 4. So 9, comma 4 is our new point. All right, here's example number 7. Go ahead and try it yourself. So pause, try it yourself, and then come back. So left 4, that's my X's, right? That's minus 4. So I'm going to take 0, minus 4. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Okay. All right, and now we're doing up 5. That's positive 5. So I'm taking my Y, because that's the Y stuff, right? And I'm going to take 2 up 5. Oh, that's going to make it 7. So negative 4, comma 7 is our new point. All right, here's example number 8. Go ahead and try it yourself. See what you get. All right, 3 units right. So right is my X value. Right is positive 3, so 3 plus 3 makes 6. Down 5, so that's going to be minus 5. That's my Y value. Actually, I'm going to put this in a different color. So Y's are 4, down 5. So I'm going to say 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So our new point is 6, negative 1. All right, here is example number 9. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to write a rule. So remember that A prime is the end result. So we're starting at A and we're going to A prime. So I like to find the kind of side-to-side stuff. And so notice how I went this way. So I went right, and then how many times do we go? 1. So it's right 1, unit, and then notice how I need to go up and down. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So then, oh, that's down. So we're going to say down 3 units. So what is our rule? Right 1 and down 3. All right, go ahead and try example number 10, see what you get, and then come back to me. Starting at Z, going to Z prime, so we're going to go 1, 2. So it's right 2 units. And then from here, we're going to go, down 1 unit. So this is our rule, right 2 units, down 1 unit. All right, so writing a rule and transformation kind of thing. So again, this actually is an example. So let's go ahead and let's read it. So it says to go from A to A prime. So go from A to A prime, we're going to move 4 units left. So 1, 2, 3, 4 units. And so, sorry, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1 unit. Okay, So remember that the left to right is my x, and we're going left. That's why it makes it subtract. And then up and down is my y's, and it's up, and that's why it makes it add. So the rule that goes with this here is, notice how we have the x comma y arrow. So I'm taking x comma y, I'm transferring it or doing a transformation to it. X minus 4, y plus 1. So to go from this figure up to this figure. So the pre-image to the image. Remember, the prime stuff tells us that's the end result. So let's go ahead and let's figure out, this is through the transformation notation, what our new kind of stuff is. So actually, this one is easier. So notice how this is my x part, right? So what's my x? It is 7. We're going to move it by 2. So x plus 2 makes the new coordinate point 9. And then my y is the second one. Here's my y. So I'm going to have 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So then my new point is 9, 0. All right, go ahead and try example number 2. What is the coordinate point of u, 3, 6, when translated by the rule, x, y, arrow, x plus 5, y plus 8. Go ahead and find the new point. All right, so that new point should be 8, 14, because it's 3 plus 5, and then 6 plus 8, x, y. All right, so we're going to take this page, we're going to actually fold it hamburger style, and you're going to tape it on page 12 inside your workbook to make sure that you go ahead and have this for your Unit 10 or Unit 1 test. So make sure you tape that in, okay? And go ahead and do that now. All right, so again, today as far as homework, we're doing translation of shapes day 2 worksheet. And again, that again goes into Canvas. And so that will go ahead and correct your stuff. So have a great day. Thanks. Bye.